Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Diliso Green Spikers ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 25-21, 31-29, 25-19. Best player of the game si Glenroy Ventura matapos nagtala ng 16 points mula sa 14 attacks at 2 blocks na may kasamang 4 digs. Pinadapa naman ng UST Golden Spikers ang Perpetual Altas 25-18, 25-22, 23-25, 23-25, 15-9. Best player of the game si Edlen Paul Colinares matapos nagtala ng 18 points at 5 blocks. Para naman sa Women's Division, winalis din ng CSB Lady Blazers ang Letran Lady Knights 25-21, 25-22, 25-21. Best player of the game si Wylin Istoki matapos sumakot ng 22 points mula sa 19 attacks, 2 blocks at 1 ace. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of August 18, 2024. Diliso Green Spikers 4 wins, 0 loss, 12 points. FEU Tamaraws 2 wins, 1 loss, 7 points. NU Bulldogs 2 wins, 1 loss, 6 points. UST Golden Spikers 2 wins, 2 losses, 5 points. Perpetual Altas 2 wins, 2 losses, 5 points. Letran Knights 1 win, 2 losses, 4 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win, 3 losses, 3 points. AEC Generals 0 win, 3 losses, 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of August 18, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 3 wins, 0 loss, 9 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 2 wins, 2 losses, 7 points. UP Lady Marons 2 wins, 2 losses, 6 points. CSB Lady Blazers 2 wins, 2 losses, 6 points. UA Lady Warriors 1 win, 1 loss, 3 points. Letran Lady Knights 1 win, 1 loss, 2 points. LPU Lady Pirates 0 win, 3 losses, 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 21, 2024 na gaganapin sa Paco Arena. Para sa Women's Division, magharap ang UA Lady Warriors at UP Lady Marons alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Men's Division, magsasagupang FEU Lady Tamaraws at NU Bulldogs alas 3 ng hapon. Magtutuos naman ang AAC Generals at Letran Knights alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.